Allison here, and in today's video we are going to learn how to use the Saved Finds feature in FileMaker, and what a time saver it is. So let's get started. I am looking here at a list of orders, and to start off with I'm going to find the orders for January. So I'm going to go into the date field and type the month and then a slash and then the year. And that will give me everything in that month. So there we go. And this is going to be a common occurrence, or has been a common occurrence, to find the month of January throughout the month so that you can keep track of orders. And so to make this easier, rather than going through the process of find and then typing in the month and the year every time, we're going to go into the Records menu and go down about 2/3 of the way to where we see Saved Finds. And we have the option to save the current find. And we can even give it a name. We can say January Orders and then choose Save. So now, by way of demonstration, I'm going to go back to Show All Records. Instead of going to Find, typing the month and the year, we can go into the Records menu, pop down to Saved Finds and choose January Orders. And there they are. So terrific. But as we're working with orders in January, there are probably a lot of things happening with them, as indicated by the status. And so as we scroll down to more recent orders, we see that some of them are still being processed. We have one on hold here. And, you know, as we get closer to today, we see that there's more and more processing. So we may not care so much about delivered items, but we are probably interested in orders that are on hold and processing. So if we go into Find and we type January, and in the status we choose Processing, and then hit enter. Those are the orders in January that we are processing. And again, we can go to the Records menu, Saved Finds, Save Current Find, and choose January Processing. There we go. And again, if we go to Show All, we can go to Saved Finds and choose January Processing, and there they are. And of course you can do the same thing with hold. 1/2018 and status hold, and enter, and records, save find, save current finds, January hold. And so now as you're working with your orders in the month, you don't have to go into Find every time. You can simply go to your Saved Finds and choose what you're looking for. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, if you could give it a thumbs up, and if you would like to see more videos like this, please go ahead and click the subscribe button. Thank you very much for watching, and have a great day.